7 Artificial Intelligence Automation Tasks You Need for Your Business. Welcome back to our channel. Watch today's video to discover 7 practical ways of leveraging artificial intelligence to automate tasks and optimize your business processes. By incorporating AI into your workflow, you can save time, increase efficiency, and improve productivity. So let's dive right in. Data entry automation. The first AI automation task is data entry. By using AI for data entry, you can save time and effort by automatically entering data into your databases. This means no more manual data entry, which is tedious and error-prone. Instead, you can use AI to quickly and accurately enter data from multiple sources. Here are 3 benefits of using AI for this task. Accuracy. AI algorithms are designed to minimize errors by extracting and entering data with high precision, reducing the chances of human mistakes. Speed. With AI-powered data entry automation, you can significantly speed up the process, saving valuable time for your employees to focus on more critical tasks. Cost efficiency. By automating data entry, you eliminate the need for manual labor, reducing costs associated with hiring and training personnel for this repetitive task. Customer support chatbots. Moving on to the second task, customer support chatbots. As a business, customer service is critical for success, and customer support chatbots can help streamline your customer service process. Chatbots are automated AI programs that give customers personalized responses to their inquiries. They can respond to simple queries like product information or pricing and complex problems like technical issues or account management. Chatbots are usually integrated with existing customer service systems and databases, allowing them to quickly access customer data and provide accurate answers. This can help reduce wait time for customers and enable them to get the information they need quickly. Additionally, chatbots are efficient at providing 24/7 coverage, ensuring someone is always available to answer customer inquiries regardless of time zone differences or holidays. Lastly, because chatbots are automated, businesses save time and money by eliminating the need for manual labor. Let's explore their benefits. With AI-powered chatbots, your customers can receive immediate assistance anytime, day or night. This ensures that their questions are promptly answered, regardless of their time zone or your business hours. Improved response time. With chatbots handling a significant portion of customer inquiries, response times are drastically reduced compared to traditional methods, enhancing customer satisfaction. Scalability. As your business grows, so does the number of customer inquiries. AI chatbots can efficiently handle concurrent conversations without compromising quality or response speed. Sentiment analysis. Our third automation task is sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is a form of artificial intelligence automation geared toward understanding the sentiment behind customer conversations. This tool can help businesses understand how customers feel about their products or services and their overall opinion of the company. By utilizing sentiment analysis, businesses can pinpoint potential avenues for development and progress while enhancing customer support by constantly monitoring feedback patterns. Additionally, it can help identify potential issues that might adversely affect customer satisfaction and loyalty. Sentiment analysis is a powerful technique that employs NLP algorithms to scrutinize unprocessed text data and decipher its implications by considering contextual cues. By analyzing text data, businesses can gauge a customer's positive or negative conversation about their product, service, or company. By implementing this strategy, companies can better understand their customers, enabling personalized interactions that boost the chances of improving customer satisfaction. Let's discuss its advantages. Real-time feedback monitoring. By employing sentiment analysis algorithms, you can quickly gather and analyze customer sentiment across various channels, allowing you to identify issues promptly and address them effectively. Brand reputation management. Sentiment analysis helps you monitor online reviews, social media mentions, and customer feedback in real time, enabling you to proactively manage your brand's reputation and take necessary actions. Market insights. By analyzing customer sentiments, you can gain valuable insights into their preferences, opinions, and needs. This data can be leveraged to make informed business decisions and tailor your products or services accordingly. Inventory management. Next up is AI automation for inventory management. Inventory management is essential to any business, and the right technology can make it much easier and more efficient. Implementing AI automation in inventory management can significantly improve operational efficiency, minimize inaccuracies, and guarantee the optimum availability of products to meet customer demands. With AI automation, you can track inventory levels in real time, get alerted when stock needs replenishing, and easily create purchase orders. This allows you to keep better control over your supply chain and improve customer satisfaction by avoiding out-of-stock issues. Using AI automation also reduces costs by providing instant notifications for overstock and understock goods. Besides, it assists in identifying and addressing possible issues before they escalate into big problems. You can save time and money by leveraging AI automation for inventory management tasks while providing a smooth customer experience. Here are its 3 key benefits. Demand forecasting. AI algorithms can analyze historical sales data and market trends to predict future demand accurately. By optimizing your inventory levels based on these forecasts, you can avoid stockouts or excess inventory, leading to cost savings. Efficient reordering. With AI-powered systems monitoring inventory levels in real time, automatic reordering can be triggered when the stock reaches predetermined thresholds. This eliminates manual tracking and ensures a seamless supply chain process. Reduced holding costs. Optimized inventory management through AI automation enables precise control of stock levels. Businesses can allocate resources more effectively by minimizing surplus inventory and avoiding excessive holding costs. Content generation. Our 5th AI automation task focuses on content generation. Content generation is an increasingly important AI automation task for many businesses. Content generation involves having a computer program automatically create new content, such as blog posts, articles, press releases, or product descriptions. Implementing such AI automation can be highly advantageous in saving time and resources. This allows team members to focus on other responsibilities while ensuring the steady production of top-quality content. AI-driven content generation can also produce more accurate results than manual methods. Automated systems can generate content tailored to the exact needs and interests of the target audience by leveraging user data analysis. This results in a written output tailored to the target audience's requirements. These systems can also generate multiple versions of the same piece of content quickly and efficiently. Let's explore its advantages. Time savings. AI tools can generate content faster than human writers while still maintaining quality standards. This allows businesses to produce more content within shorter timeframes. Consistency in style and tone. AI-generated content follows predefined style guidelines consistently, ensuring that all pieces align with your brand's tone of voice and messaging strategy. Increased creativity. With AI assistance in content generation, human creators have more time to focus on ideation and higher-level creative tasks, fostering innovation and fresh perspectives. Fraud detection. Moving on to task number 6, fraud detection. Fraud detection is necessary for any business that deals with transactions, whether online or in person. Fraud can lead to financial losses and a damaged reputation, so it's important to have a fraud detection system in place. Artificial intelligence, AI, is one of the best tools for detecting fraud quickly and accurately. AI-driven fraud detection systems are designed to analyze large amounts of data and identify patterns quickly. This data can include customer profiles, transaction histories, and other associated information. AI algorithms are able to detect anomalies, such as huge charges or sudden changes in spending patterns. In addition, they possess the ability to detect if clients are utilizing unfamiliar payment modes or when 2 profiles are engaging in simultaneous transactions from a single site. Let's uncover its benefits. Early warning system. AI algorithms can analyze patterns and anomalies in large datasets, enabling early detection of fraudulent activities. This helps businesses take prompt action to prevent financial losses. Enhanced security. By leveraging AI automation for fraud detection, businesses can strengthen security measures and protect sensitive customer data from potential threats or breaches. Cost savings. Detecting and preventing fraud early on can save businesses substantial amounts of money that might otherwise be lost or spent on costly recovery processes. Personalized recommendations. Last but not least, our final AI automation task revolves around customized recommendations. Personalized recommendations are a great way to enhance the customer experience and increase business sales. AI algorithms can recommend things to customers based on their past purchases, demographics, and online behavior. Utilizing this technology can augment a company's capacity to connect with potential clients by proposing products or services that could attract their attention. Furthermore, it could enhance customer engagement by presenting tailor-made items and services that cater to personalized tastes and preferences. With AI automation, businesses no longer have to analyze customer data or curate product suggestions manually. It's done for them quickly and accurately. This allows companies to focus more on other areas of their business while still providing an enhanced customer experience. Here are its advantages. Increased customer engagement. AI-powered recommendation systems use historical data and user behavior analysis to suggest relevant products or content to customers, enhancing their overall experience and encouraging repeat engagements. Higher conversion rates. By providing personalized recommendations tailored to individual preferences, businesses can increase the likelihood of conversions as customers are more likely to find what they need easily. Cross-selling opportunities. AI-generated recommendations can effectively identify related or complementary products/services based on customer interests, expanding cross-selling opportunities and boosting revenue streams. And there you have it. You can implement 7 artificial intelligence automation tasks in your business today and the benefits they offer. Remember, leveraging AI technology allows you to optimize your operations and stay ahead in today's fast-paced business landscape. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for watching.